Okay, so today I am unboxing one of my favorite chocolate. I have been craving this for so long. Honestly, little things like this make my day better. A good chocolate, a quiet moment, and just some me time. लाइफ भी ना कभी कभी बिल्कुल ऐसे ही होती है. सिंपल सी एक्सपेक्टेशंस, सिंपल सी खुशी. We plan small moments thinking everything will go just fine. Perfect mood, perfect timing, perfect outcome. Alright, let's open this. I have been waiting for this bite. Let's taste it. I'm so excited. Just like this chocolate, life does not always open the way we expect. Plans crack, moments break, things go a little messy, like my chocolate. Perfect things are usually planned, but real things, they just happened and somehow they still turn out meaningful.